The Youth Design Assembly, a method designed to engage young people in co-creating solutions that matter. Do you want to create lasting and resilient solutions? Are you struggling to stay relevant? Do you feel that young stakeholders are out of reach? Discover the Youth Design Assembly. Flexible timing, engaged participants, structured process, professional facilitation. A Youth Design Assembly helps you obtain fresh ideas and tackle new challenges. Promote democratic participation and co-create long-lasting solutions. Align your solutions with the needs of future generations. Engage youth. Drive innovation. Learn how to use the Youth Design Assembly in your work today.